Hello students, preparing for IYMC class 24 give you study support. By typing IYMC class 24 you will land on this page. In this page on exam tab you will find all the detail about the IYMC registration, eligibility, rounds and award. And on this tab free download resources you will get state of the art books in non-routine mathematics like Paul Jet, Mosaic, books of AMTI, JAM, and PYQs. Class 24 is here with complete study material, round wise teaching assistants. If you want to buy budget friendly plan, then click on the course where you will find the study package for IYMC. So do not need to struggle along to submit your qualification round responses. So you can buy this package and get unlimited support by the expert in non-routine mathematics. Or for more detail about the IYMC you can see my complete video on IYMC on Olympiad by Class 24 YouTube channel. So best of luck, good luck, thank you.